Hello everybody, welcome to another Today in the Workshop video. The blizzard has finally ended, and although there's some driving bans and there's not advising you getting out, I thought I'd spend the day in the workshop. Got another reason for filming this, and that is I gotta check out my my Christmas present that I got. Check this out. This is one of the cameras that I use to do the videos, and I got a new microphone. So the rest of this video, I'm gonna film with this camera with the new microphone to give it a try. So right now it's the smartphone videoing it, but from this point on, it's going to be done with the new microphone on the camera here. Christmas time is a time to give presents, right? And I wanted to acknowledge some folks that helped me out with my YouTube channel this past year and give them some presents. But these guys are not easy to just go to the store and buy a present for. So I had to get creative, and I thought, you know, I'll make some signs for their for them, some workshop signs, or well, you'll see when I show you. I think I showed everybody the one that I did with the saw for our friend Kevin over at Gobbler's Roost. Refurbished this old saw, or cleaned up, I should say, this old saw. Then I painted on there. I saw Bigfoot on Gobbler's Roost, and then with a little Bigfoot there and the word believe. And I'm hoping once the roads clear up and travel is a little easier to get this to our friend Kevin, and hopefully he likes it and hangs it up in his shop. And there was a couple other guys that helped me out a whole bunch. I mean, they were in some of the videos. They shared their knowledge with people. They shared their adventures with people. And I wanted to make a couple of signs for them also. This is the sign that I made for our friend Mark. Mark is quite a fly fisherman. He ties all his own flies, and very good fisherman, and he shares a lot of his fishing tips with everybody. And I'm always amazed by the fish that he catches and everything. So I thought he's got a real cool fly tying little workspace down in his basement, and I thought maybe I'd make this sign for him. Hopefully he's got room for this sign. It says Captain Mark. He's got a little fish hook there, fly shop, and then it says over here, fish tails start here. And when it comes to Mark, there ain't much exaggerating. He catches some beautiful, beautiful fish. So I hope Mark likes it. Then I made this one here for Dino. Dino, he's in a lot of the videos, and he does some trapping, hunting, all sorts of stuff. Makes maple syrup. His wife is a beekeeper. Very interesting guy, and he's got a fur shop over there, or I should say a trapping shed, whatever you want to call it, a fur shed. And he invites me over there quite often, and I always enjoy my time there. So I took this wooden fox stretcher, and I made a sign for his shop, Bone Creek Furs and Hides. I painted some tracks on the one end, and on the other end, just a friendly reminder to the people that visit over there, Dino, and it says, please remove snowshoes outside. So I hope Dino likes it, and I hope he's got room in the first shed for it. In addition to the new microphone, I got another cool present, and that's this little sharpening jig here. It's used in sharpening chisels, and a chisel clamps in there, and there's a little wheel on the bottom, keep it at a consistent angle. Now, I've never had one of these, and today's project in the workshop is going to be refurbishing this old chisel, this old wood chisel here. This is I looked it up, it's got a stamp on here, it says Corsair. It has a wooden handle on it. Being that I'm not real familiar with how to use this, and I'm by no means an expert at refurbishing old tools, I wanted to make sure that I wasn't gonna my first try with some valuable priceless chisel. But it turns out these Corsairs are rather common, so even if I goof it up, it's not going to be the end of the world. Here's some before pictures of it. As you can see, it's got some rust on it. The edge is dull, and it's got some little nicks and stuff in it, but it does have a wood handle, and I think it's a good candidate to try out the sharpening jig. So let's get started. I'm glad everybody was able to stop by the workshop today. It was a fun little project, cleaning up that chisel and trying out my Christmas present and using the new microphone for the camera. So until next time, everybody, take care. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep on trucking.